Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to send and receive money with Venmo. First of all you have to do is open the Venmo app on your phone, and then you will see this kind of interface. All you have to do is select on pay or request on the bottom. A new page will open which will say you add recipients. From here you can pay or request money from your friends. So what I will do, I will type in the username to the person that I want to send or request money. Then on the next page, I can type in the amount of money that I want to pay or request from that specific friend. For example, I will type in $10, and what's it for? I can type any reason for why I want to request or pay the money. For example, you can type in shopping or coffee or anything else. And then if you tap pay, then $10 will be paid to that friend that you have searched on the search bar on the previous page. If you tap on request, then $10 will be requested from that specific friend, and if you approve the request, then $10 will be added to your Venmo account. Further, you can show that QR code to your friend, and if they scan your QR code, then they can also send you money on Venmo. And that's basically how to send and receive money with Venmo. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.